how you upload data to Pioneer. Throughout the site, you will see blue Upload Files buttons, like this one in the left navigation. If you click that button, we ask for a few pieces of information. It begins with a project name. This is a name for this batch of data. You can select from your existing projects or type a new one. We recommend that you use something like a purchase order or work order code for your company, the city or asset owner or project, and perhaps a date or truck. Click Enter or hit the Create button. At that point, we ask for the software your data came out of, which simply helps us debug. We don't do anything different. You can select Other if it's another package. And then you have to select a parent folder that contains the data, like databases, snapshots, and videos you want us to ingest. Now, by parent folder, we mean the top-level folder. In this case, on my File Explorer, you see that my videos and database are sitting in this folder PO1234. So, back in Pioneer, I select that parent folder. From my desktop, I go up to the level of that folder, I click Select, and at that point our software will scan for all the relevant files. If those are the things you want, you simply click Upload and progress will begin. Databases and small files will load first, larger videos will take longer. You're free to navigate throughout the site or do other work in your browser. We do ask that you keep this tab open and keep the computer on, though we do have ways to resume an upload if you should happen to break it. For instance, if I click refresh, you will see that the browser prompts me to resume the upload. At that point, I resume the upload, and when it's done, I can view my data in Pioneer. Thank you very much.